Hello YouTube, it's gadgetmainia here with an unboxing of some electric sockets from Silverquest. It's a remote control on-off adapters for electric sockets. On the front it says Silverquest electric sockets up to 40 meter range, 4 cordless switches with 2 dimmer, 4 channel remote with master function simultaneously on, off all receivers. It's got a 3-year warranty. If I open it up, we firstly have the 4 sockets, 2 of them which are dimmers, which can be turned on and off manually or by remote. We've got some instructions which I won't read, the remote for the control for all of them, and two batteries. What these can do is if you plug these into the socket and plug either an extension lead or something, another plug into it, you can turn them off without having to actually turn it off on the wall. This has been unboxing the electric sockets from Silverquest. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.